Hey, I'm Sue and welcome to The Art of Flavor. Before we jump into our fall flavors, we wanted to give the season a proper send-off. Here's a look back at some of our top recipes of summer. Are you ready? Let's get started. We need about 1 1/4 cups of the graham crumbs. I'm gonna add the sugar. I'm gonna add salt. While that's going, I'm gonna melt my butter. I've got about 5 tablespoonfuls of butter in the saucepan. For the butter that I melted here, I just kept the package and I just rub it on the bottom, place my parchment around and press it. I'm gonna grab my graham mixture. I'm going to use the bottom of this dry measure to press, and that's how you get that nice even crust on the bottom. This goes into the freezer. I've got 1 package of gelatin. I'm going to add my cold water, give it a quick stir, and let it stand for about 5 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm going to whip my cream. Got 2 bricks of cream cheese. I'm going to add my sugar, and I like to use plain Greek yogurt. I'm going to add my lemon juice. I've melted my gelatin in the microwave, so I'm going to add a little bit of the whipped cream. What I'm going to do is add that. Now I'm going to add the remaining whipped cream. I'm going to add Hedessent candied peach, and I'm going to add Hedessent classic vanilla. It's super silky smooth. I'm just going to refrigerate that uncovered for at least 4 hours. Best result overnight, and then we're going to unmold it. You've got this beautiful, clean, silky candy peach cold cheesecake. I'm gonna take this beautiful bite here with my little tip, okay? I've got my loaf pan again. I'm going to throw that in the freezer for 10 minutes. I'm adding my can of sweetened condensed milk. I've got 3 tablespoonfuls of liquid honey. I've got my beautiful passion fruit, half teaspoon plus 20 drops. And I'm adding just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm gonna add matcha powder It's a green tea. Okay, I've got my whipped cream, 2 cups of whipped cream here. Again, I'm going to add about a third. I'm going to gently whisk it in. I'm going to add the remaining, gently fold it in. Okay, I've got my loaf pan here, coax it, put a few chopped white chocolate, and then I've got pistachios, just because it looks gorgeous. I've got more pistachios. These are all optional as well. If you don't have it, if you're not a fan, you don't have to use it. And there you have it. You've got your beautiful passionfruit matcha ice cream. Let's give it a whirl. Ooh, it's beautifully soft. It's like a beautiful gelato. Okay, there you have it. Our top recipes of the summer. Get your flavors and make it your way. Keep checking our community posts because I want to hear from you and I'd love to know what you want to see next. Hit like and subscribe, and if you like what you saw, tap that bell icon so you don't miss an episode because we have a lot more recipes coming your way. Thanks for watching. Keep it flavorful. It's perfection. And the problem is you can eat more because it's so light. So I guess it's not really a problem, but it kind of is. Thanks for watching.